All right, if you're a developer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Some of the most annoying parts of the job have absolutely nothing to do with writing code. Today, we're going to look at an AI copilot that wants to fix that. It's called RepoPilot AI, and it's all about giving you your time back.
So let's be real for a second. How much time have you completely wasted on just boilerplate setup? The mind-numbing repetitive task of spinning up a new code repository. All those little minutes, they add up, right? And they pull you away from the fun part, actually building cool stuff.
Yeah, we can call it the repository grind. It's that manual ritual every single developer knows by heart. Every time you want to start a new project or just try out a quick idea, you have to go through this whole song and dance. Okay, you know the drill, right? First, you got to open up GitHub. Then you type in the name, the description. You click through a bunch of menus to find the right license. You hunt for the perfect .gitignore file, and then you finally set it to public or private. Each one of those little clicks is an interruption. It just yanks you right out of the zone. It's such a hassle. But what if you could just skip all of that? What if you could take that whole annoying process and just crush it down into a single command, a simple sentence you type right into your terminal? Well, that is exactly what RepoPilot AI is designed to do. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Couldn't I just write a simple script for this? And look, that's a totally fair question. But here's the thing. Scripts are brittle. They're super rigid. They do one specific task, and that's it. The moment you add a little bit of nuance, the whole thing falls apart. An AI agent, though, that's a whole different ballgame. It's flexible. It doesn't just see commands, it understands what you mean. It can actually reason and pick the right tool for whatever you ask. So how does this thing actually work? Let's pop the hood and take a look inside the brain of RepoPilot AI. It all happens in 4 simple steps. Step 1, you just type what you want in plain English, no weird syntax. Step 2, the brain of the operation, which is the Gemini model, reads your request and decides which tool it needs to use. Think of it as the project manager. Step 3, a special GitHub API wrapper acts like a translator. It takes the agent's plan and turns it into a command that GitHub can actually understand. And finally, step 4, the command runs and boom, you get a confirmation right back. It's simple, it's fast, and it just works. And for anyone curious about the tech stack under the hood, it's all built on some really cool modern stuff. The brains are powered by Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash. The whole thing is put together with the Google Agent Development Kit. It's all written in Python, and it talks to GitHub using a custom REST API wrapper. And here is where you see the magic happen. Just look at this. On the right, the user just types a normal sentence. Create a repo named demo, make it public. Super simple. Now check out the left side. That's the agent thinking. It instantly gets it, picks the right tool, the create git repo function, and pulls out the name demo and the public setting. And then the payoff. Your repository demo has been created successfully. That's it. No clicking around, no forms, just a single sentence. And really, that's the whole point, isn't it? This is all about getting rid of that boring manual work. It's a perfect example of combining an AI that understands language with a powerful tool like the GitHub API. It's literally about turning your words into action. So there you have it, a quick look at RepoPilot AI. It's a really cool peek into a future where developers get to spend more time actually creating and way less time just configuring things. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other boring developer tasks are going to get automated away by AI next? If you thought this was cool and you want to see more tech breakdowns like this one, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out with me.